This is the dessert that has been making everybody crazy because it's super yummy and simple to make, made in just a few minutes. So let's start with a tablespoon of butter in a frying pan. And if the frying pan is like this one, guys, it's better, okay? Let's melt this butter very well for all over the corners. Then let's add 2 cups of sugar. And let's also add 2 bananas. The banana is the one you prefer, okay? So you use the one you prefer here. It will depend. Let's cut it this way, as you can see. This way, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna fit one to the other. After our sugar is like a caramel with the butter, we are going to put our banana. The heat has to be from medium to low, okay? And look how it fits perfectly in the frying pan. Let's let it be carameled. Meanwhile, let's add 1 egg, 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of oil, and let's beat everything very well. Then let's add half a cup of milk and sift a cup of flour. Let's mix until it's all homogeneous. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. To finish it, half a tablespoon of baking powder, the one we use for cakes. Now guys, just take out the cap and let's pour all of this mixture on top of the bananas, okay? Spread it for all over the bananas, okay? It has to cover the banana by complete. Let's cover it and wait for it to be cooked a little bit, about 2 to 3 minutes. When you put the knife and it comes out clean, that means it is already done, it's on the right texture and it's well cooked. After that, you just have to unmold it and then you have this amazing banana cake. And look at it, guys, it's wonderful. A dessert that you make in just a few minutes, seriously, with ingredients that you have at your house already. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Thank you. See ya.